Hi Shubha, happy birthday. You're already 22. Oh my god, it's been so many years we have been friends. I can't even count. And I think you have always been this amazing friend in my life. Ever since we were kids, you've always been there in my life. Support me emotionally, mentally. I remember going through tough times and you telling me it's okay, we'll meet, I'll be there for you. You gave me a hug, and that will always mean a lot to me. And I just want to say this, you bring out this child in me, which is so amazing because usually I remember talking to you about this. Everyone just talks about serious things, and you and me, when we get together, we talk about serious things and the childish stuff. We always laugh, we pull pranks, and I don't think I can ever find a friend like you. I hope you have an amazing life, a successful life, and you be the independent woman you deserve to be.
Hi Shubs! Wish you many, many, many happy returns of the day. I hope you have an amazing birthday and I hope your birthday goes as amazing as you are. I really want to thank you for being the kind of friend you are. I really miss those fun times we used to have back then in college. But nevertheless, we're gonna meet soon, and I really wish the best for you on your birthday. May all your dreams come true. Always keep smiling, keep growing, keep improving, and have that sassy smile on always. Bye.
Wish you many many happy returns of the day, Shubzi. Have a great year ahead. I wish you a very good health, lot of success, and I wish you get everything you ever prayed for. Also, a very small advice that let it go, forget it, leave the moment, and remember always that life is too short to stress upon something. Just let it go. And last but not the least, I miss you so much, and I miss everything about you. I miss the time we had together. Hoping to see you soon. Happy birthday.
Many, many happy returns of the day. Happiest year this has to be, because 2020 has taken a lot from us. I hope you can eat as much paneer chili that you can possibly eat this particular year, because boy, you love paneer. I miss you. I miss going out after college, bunking lectures, hating the disgusting canteen food that there was. I really, really wish that we could all hang out like before. But yeah, let's meet up and let's party soon. Really, we need it. Let's make that Lonavala plan.
Hi Shubha, happy birthday. I hope you have a great day, a great year ahead, and just be happy. That's what matters the most in life. And I'm so grateful for you being my friend since our HFS days, and I hope we have great times ahead together in life. So cheers to your day.
Hi Shobha, happy birthday. Gosh, I miss you so much. Come visit New York soon so that we can go meet the people we planned to, do the things that we planned, and then write our book of similarities. And have fun today. Stay safe though. Love you.
Hi Dad, Ganu here. How are you? We haven't spoke for a while now. Well, it's your birthday, so I would like to wish you a very happy birthday. You are turning 22, and I need a party soon. Yeah, like you've been a very good friend, and you've been a very good person for the last 4 years, and you have a very bright future ahead of you. I wish you a year full of happiness and success, and I hope you're doing well right now. So take care. Enjoy your day. It's your day. Enjoy it to the fullest. We'll meet soon. Bye.
Hello Shubha, happy birthday. All the best for your life. You are doing amazing. Just stop overthinking. बाकी मैं तो हुई समझाने के लिए. Happy birthday.
Hey Shubha, happy birthday. Wish you a very happy wish you a very happy birthday, and like you have an amazing day and enjoy your day a lot. It's been 5 years, more than 5 years we know each other. We met first time on the US tour, and then after that our bond became much stronger and all. I know we have hardly met in this past few 5-6 years, but still we have kept in touch through WhatsApp or normal messages, and we this year we didn't completed our annual 31st meetup, but soon we'll meet up soon. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Shubs. I miss you and I miss all the fun that we had in Podar, and I hope you have the best day ever. Love you.
Hey Shubha, happy birthday. Hope you have a great day and year ahead. What makes you so special, I guess, is that we just connected from the get-go pretty much. We can talk about anything and we have a similar kind of sense of humor. You're damn chill, you're damn open. Stay the same, don't change. Have a great year.
Shubha, happy birthday to you. We are happy to be with you today and enjoy the day. And for me, you are the greatest joy, and we want you to prosper and grow with See, life is not necessarily be all the time happy. It can be sometimes difficult, but you can overcome it by your own actions and your reactions. But this should be such that when you live in a family, you should be able to live with others. And in family, see, there are 3 C's. One is communication, another is so 3 C's, that is the communication, coordination and cooperation. Then your life will be smooth and you will have success in every field. So always be.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಶುಭ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಿನ್ನ ಬರ್ಡೇ ನೀ ಟೀನೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದರೂ ಸಹಿತ ನಿನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೀನಿನ್ನೂ ನನ್ನ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮರಿನೇ ಹೌದು. ನನ್ನ ಸಮ್ಮನೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸೆಸ್. ಯಾವಾಗೂ ನಂಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ನೀ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸೆಸ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ನೀ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದ ರತ್ನ. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿನ್ನ ಸಣ್ಣಿದ್ದವಾಗ ಯಾವುದೂ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಮರ್ತಿನಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತೇ ಇದ್ದು ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು 4 ಲೈನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಿನಗೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನೀಗ ನಿನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಶುಭ, ನೀನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಂಗಳದ ಒಂದು ಮುದ್ದಾದ ಹೂವಾಗಿ, ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಆನಂದದ ಚಿಲುಮೆಯಾಗಿ, ಮನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿ ನೀ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಬಂದೆ. ನೀನು ಅಂಬೆಗಾಲಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತ ಮಂಡಿಯೂರಿ ಕೂರುತ್ತ ಅಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಹರೇ ರಾಮ ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಭಜನೆಗೆ ಕೈತಟ್ಟಿ ಕೇಕೆ ಹಾಕಿ ನಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ನೀನು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತ ನಿನ್ನ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಕಾಲಿನ ಧ್ವನಿಯನ್ನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹರಡುತ್ತ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಸಂಶಯದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಮನೆಯೆಲ್ಲ ತಿರುಗಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. 12 ವರ್ಷದೊಳಿರುವಾಗ ಕಿಟಕಿಯ ಬಳಿ ನಿಂತು ಪಕ್ಕದ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಜನಗಣಮನ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ನೀ ಕೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಿನ್ನ ತೊದಲ ನುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ವಿಸ್ಮಯಗೊಳಿಸಿದೆ. ನೋಡುತ್ತಾ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತಾ ನಿನ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಾ ನೀನು ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಂದಿನ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲಿಟ್ಟೆ. ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವ ನಿನ್ನ ಆಸೆ ಈಡೇರಲಿ. ನಿನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕನಸುಗಳು ನನಸಾಗಲಿ. ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಗೆ ತುಂಬಿ ಬರುತ್ತಿರಲಿ. ನಿನ್ನ ಜೀವನ ಸದಾ ಹಸುರಿನಿಂದ
Happy birthday, Shubha. God bless you. All the best.
Chinu, we love you and best wishes for everything. Stay safe, be good. Happy birthday.
birthday, Shubhi. Wish you a very, very happy birthday and a wonderful year ahead and a fabulous life ahead. Do you know that you, Shubha, are Shubha to me, and the day itself is Shubha to me, because this was the day when I got my Shubha, and this is the most auspicious day of my life, the most beautiful day of my life ever. The very first day, the very first time that I saw you, I fell in love with you, and I couldn't stop looking at this, the most beautiful baby ever. And it was such a delight watching you grow from the most beautiful baby to this lovely little girl, and now the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. And not just, not just in looks, beautiful inside and beautiful in every way. The most mature, the most sensible girl. Yes, I have watched you grow from my little baby daughter to this best friend that I have, my strength, my inspiration. Yes, you have helped me, and in numerous ways, in ways that I can't even tell you. You have been my strength in everything that I do. Yes, and I can't even think of what I would have done without you, really. You have been my fashion consultant, my partner in crimes. How could I have enjoyed, so many of these movies without having you to discuss them with? So please always be my friend. Please always be my best friend. I'm sorry, my best friend, my partner in crime. And what really, I can't even imagine what life would have been without you as my daughter. I really thank God for the most beautiful gift ever. So please, always, the most beautiful star that I know, I wish that you always keep shining and that you make every place better wherever you go. So a very happy birthday to you once again, my lovely little Shubha, my Shubbi, Gubbi. Keep smiling, keep shining always. Love you always.
Hey Shubbi! They say father and daughter are true best friends for life. I am truly blessed to have you in my life. She is Shubbi Gubbi to me. For her mom, pretty mom, she is Mangana, Gubbacha, Mucha Pai, etc. etc. For her naughty brother Ishan, she is Shubhaki. And for her favorite Amma, she is Mari. She is most important and most precious for all of us. Truly the greatest gift we have received. Let the world know that this beautiful, kind, compassionate, loving, smart, witty, bubbly and talented child is our daughter Shubbi. She is my great source of pride. She is my best friend. We confide, we connect and we communicate. She is very interesting character and I truly admire her maturity and the way the thinking in life. Well, being around her is always a great fun. Also, this drama queen's putting tana and funny acts brings us an instant smile on our face. Shubbi, as you are entering in your professional life, my advice to you will be to trust your instinct. As rightly said, the price of success is hard work. Don't give up. Live up to your dreams, Shubbi. You are the master of your own destiny. You can influence, direct and control your environment. You can make your life what you want to be. Be positive, be confident and be healthy. We always love you, Shubbi, no matter what. Have a great birthday, my dearest Shubri. keep smiling, and I pray to Lord Pashupatinath to bless you with good health, protection and strength. Take care, Shubhi. Bye bye. Love you so much.
Happy birthday, Shubhi. Have a great year ahead.
Dear Shubhi, happy birthday to